In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MEE6. Managing a Discord server can become challenging as your community grows. Whether you're running a server for friends, a gaming group, a content creator community, or a larger organization, keeping everything organized and engaging can take a lot of time. That's where MEE6 comes in. MEE6 is one of the most popular Discord bots available, offering a wide range of tools designed to help with moderation, automation, community engagement, and much more. In this tutorial, I'll show you the basics of using MEE6 and some of its most useful features. To get started, head over to the MEE6 website and follow the instructions to connect the bot to your Discord server. Once the bot has been authorized and added to your server, you'll be able to manage it directly through the MEE6 dashboard. Inside the dashboard, you'll find the plugin gallery. This is the central hub where you can browse, enable, and configure the various features available through MEE6. To activate a plugin, simply use the enable switch next to it. After enabling a plugin, click on it to access additional settings and customize how it works within your server. Keep in mind that some advanced plugins and features may require a premium subscription. One of the most commonly used features is the Welcome plugin. This plugin helps create a better first impression by automatically sending custom welcome messages to new members when they join your server. You can also configure it to assign roles automatically, helping new members get started right away. Another useful feature is the Custom Commands plugin. This allows you to create your own commands that trigger specific responses from MEE6. For example, users can type a command to view server rules, frequently asked questions, or other helpful information. This can save moderators time by reducing the need to answer the same questions repeatedly. MEE6 also includes several utility plugins. One example is the Search Anything feature, which allows users to perform searches directly from within Discord. There are also tools that can help with recording voice channel activity and other server management tasks. Social connector plugins are another powerful option. These allow you to create automated notifications for external platforms. For example, you can connect a YouTube channel and have your Discord server automatically receive updates whenever a new video is published. Finally, there are engagement and entertainment features. The Levels plugin rewards members with experience points for participating in conversations, encouraging activity within the community. There's also a music plugin that allows users to play audio in voice channels and enjoy music together while chatting. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like. Subscribe to the channel,